Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My dear students, I think all of you are well by the blessing of Allah. I am also well. And then you have already participated a lot of classes on changing sentences. And then you know the classes were held on rule based. Now this is the final class, and in this class you have to practice, and for that reason you have to take your pen and copy. Okay, let us start. See here, and you know that this is question number 6, and as question number 6 in your question paper, this question comes, and also you remember that there are 5 sentences in question number 6, and you have to change as directed there, and in this way you have to solve. At first, write this sentence on your paper. Write down this sentence on your paper and try to change. Try to change, and I am reading the sentence. Don't you know it? Don't you know it? And you have to change it into passive mode. This sentence is now in active mode, and this is interrogative sentence. Okay, try to change. Yes, already done. Now I am answering. Look at the answer. For your easiness, this sentence you may turn into assertive sentence, and then you have to change for your easiness. Then if we turn this sentence into assertive sentence, what will be then? You don't know it. And what is object here? This will come at front, it, and this is as present indefinite tense. It is not, and you also know that what will be here? The third form of verb, no, new, noon. And then here এখানে দেখো it is not known, এই জায়গায় কি হবে বলো তো? Here for you a question that what will be here? By, to, with. What will be here? Write and show me. লেখো এবং দেখো আমাকে এখানে কি হবে? What will be in the gap? Okay, and then here will be to instead of by. তোমরা জানো যে এখানে in order to change it into passive mode আমাদের কি করতে হয়? by ব্যবহার করতে হয়, কিন্তু noun ভার্বের পরে by হয় না। noun ভার্বের পরে কি হয় না? by হয় না। তাহলে it is not known to you and then we have to change it into interrogative form. Isn't it known to you? And then question sign, and this is the answer. And if you can do this directly, okay, fine, do this. For example, do you help me? And what will be then? Am I helped by you? You can directly দেখো, isn't it known to you, এটার অর্থ কি দাঁড়ালো? এটা কি তোমার কাছে পরিচিত নয়, বা এটা কি তুমি জানো না, এটা কি তোমার কাছে পরিচিত নয়। And then come to question B. At first, write down the question on your copy, on your paper. I am reading this. The industrious boy, পরিশ্রমী বালক will shine in life, জীবনে সফলতা অর্জন করবে, will shine in life, and we have to change it into complex sentence. Okay, try to transform the sentence, the industrious boy will shine in life. Yes, have you done? Yes, done. Okay. The industrious অর্থ কি? পরিশ্রমী। In order to change it into complex sentence, at first you have to find out the adjective of the sentence. Adjective of the sentence. Such kind of sentence you have to find out the adjective of the sentence. Okay, and which one is adjective of the sentence? Industrious. Industrious is adjective. And in order to change or transform this, you have to write down at first the boy, and then you have to use relative pronoun. তোমাদের এখানে কি করতে হবে? একটি relative pronoun ব্যবহার করতে হবে। And you know, relative pronouns are who, which, that. As the boy is person, so you have to use here who. And then this needs is. The boy who is industrious, and the next part will be same, will shine in life. লক্ষ্য করো এখানে যেহেতু দ্য বয় পারসন, সেহেতু এখানে কি হয়েছে? হু হয়েছে, হুইচ হয় নাই। যদি এরকম হতো যে a beautiful bird or the beautiful bird is flying in the sky, then what will be here? তখন এখানে which হতো, the bird which is beautiful is flying in the sky. কিন্তু এখানে the বইটা হলো পারসন, সেহেতু এখানে কি হয়েছে? who হয়েছে। And you know that in complex sentence there will be two subject and then one subject, and this is one subject regarded as, and then two verb is one verb and will shine with auxiliary another verb. And you should keep in your memory that in simple sentence there will be only one subject, and then in complex sentence there will be two subject, two verb, and in simple sentence there will be only one finite verb, and will shine is only one finite verb here. Now come to question number C. You have to write down the sentence and then you will change. I am reading the sentence. A life with an assignment. একটা জীবন যেটার মধ্যে সুনির্দিষ্ট কিছু দায়িত্ব রয়েছে। Assignment here written responsibility. একটা জীবন যেটার মধ্যে সুনির্দিষ্ট কিছু দায়িত্ব রয়েছে is an actual life. এটাই হলো একটা প্রকৃত জীবন। And then you have to change it into negative mode. This sentence is, see here, in affirmative mode, and you have to change it into negative mode. তোমাদের এটাকে কি করতে হবে? নেগেটিভ মোডে নিয়ে আসতে হবে। Have you written down the sentence in your copy? Yes. Then try to transform. Okay, I am transforming. If you find in negative form, in affirmative form find with, and then in negative form what will be without. Yes, a life instead of with in negative sense will be without. A life without an assignment an assignment is not an actual life. And what have we learned from here? Instead of with, we have to use here without, as we are changing this into negative mode, and for the reason we have to use here not. Yes, a life without an assignment is not an actual life. যে জীবনে সুনির্দিষ্ট কোনো কর্তব্য থাকে না, এটা প্রকৃত জীবন নয়। In negative mood, such kind of meaning will indicate. Thank you. I have seen a student have answered correctly, and then for that reason I am thanking you. And then now come here, number D. None can receive any reward unless. This is the key word. For your help, I am telling this. This is the key word of the sentence. Unless you works hard. Have you written down this sentence on your copy? Yes. None can receive any rewards unless he works hard. You have to change it into simple sentence. Okay, try to transform. I am observing. Try to transform this sentence. Try to transform this sentence. Okay, I am doing this. As I told you that unless is the keyword, and in simple sentence only there will be one subject and one finite verb. None can receive any reward. This is the main subject, and this is the subordinate subject, and this clause is subordinate clause. And you know that at the time of transforming complex sentences into simple sentence, there will be change in where? In subordinate clause. Change will be in subordinate clause, and you know that after unless subordinate clause is used, and as unless he works hard, we have to change here this part. This clause will be changed. Okay, now I am answering. None can receive any reward. For your remembrance, I am telling you, unless means if not. Unless means if not. মানে কেউ পুরস্কার পায় না যদি না সে কঠোর পরিশ্রম করে। ইফ নট, তোমাদেরকে একটি রুল শেখানো হয়েছে ইন মাই প্রিভিয়াস ক্লাস। I have taught you a rule that if not in simple sentence will be without. মনে আছে কিনা জানি না, আবার শোনো। যদি কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সে ইফ নট থাকে তাহলে সিম্পল সেন্টেন্সে হবে উইদাউট। সিম্পল সেন্টেন্সে কি হবে? উইদাউট। যদি কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সে unless থাকে, unless means if not, then to change the sentence into simple sentence you have to use there without. You have to use there without. And then none can receive any reward without. Without. তারপরে without এর পরে যেহেতু সাবজেক্ট দুটি সেম, নান হি একই কথা, তাহলে আবার আমাদের সাবজেক্ট লিখতে হবে না, ডিরেক্টলি উই শ্যাল গো টু ভার্ব ওয়ার্ক। হুইচ পার্টিসিপল ইজ উইদাউট প্রিপোজিশন, and what kind of preposition it is? Yes, double preposition, with and out, or combined preposition. Okay, and then none can receive any reward. Here without, with and out, this is double preposition, and then none can receive any reward without working. And then what will be here? ing will be used with verb. After preposition we know ভার্বের সাথে কি হয়? ing হয়। তাহলে without working hard. This is the answer. None can receive any reward. None can receive any reward without working hard. It is evident that এটা স্পষ্ট যে it is evident that industry is one of the greatest virtues industry is one of the greatest virtues. You have to change it into positive degree. কোন ডিগ্রিতে রূপান্তর করতে হবে? পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি. Write down the sentence on your copy and try to do this as it is so easy, and I have already taught you these rules. So based on rules you have to do it. Yes. Take effort to do this. For this part, you may face problem. It is evident that, okay, I am helping you. This is additional part. So, at first, you have to write down at the beginning. It is evident that, okay, done. And then from here, this part is known to you. Okay, okay, transform this. Industry is one of the greatest virtues. Yes, it is evident that industry is one of the, which degree it is? Yes, it is superlative degree, as we have seen here. One of the is the symbol of superlative degree, and if there is one of the in superlative degree, in positive degree will start with very few. Very few, and then the next part of the degree, and this is virtues. Yes, and what will be the verb? Here will be verb are. According to rule, what will be here? So, and then positive form of degree. Great. Positive form of degree. Very few virtues are so great as. What will be then? Subject. As industry. Industry. And then for your home tasks, I am giving 5 sentences. If you face any problem at the time of doing this, inform me through comment. Now I am giving 5 sentences for the next class as homework, as home tasks, and then I shall start another topic, and that is completing sentences. And then, as a lot of classes were done on this topic, and if you face any problem, then inform me later. As your session is over, I am giving you 5 sentences. 20 years ago, what will be here, 20 years ago, he was living in Paris, and this is one sentence. He had a tiny apartment in Latin quarters overlooking a cemetery. This is another sentence. And then one day he got a letter from a young lady. You have to change it into passive mode and you have to change it into complex sentence. First one is you have to change compound, and second one is you have to change it complex sentence, and the third one is you have to change it into passive mode. Having read one of his books, she wrote the letter. This is having read one of his books, she wrote the letter. This is to be changed into compound sentence. 20 years ago he was living in Paris. You have to change it compound. He had a tiny apartment in Latin quarters overlooking a cemetery. You have to change it into complex sentence. One day he got a letter from a young lady, and then I am giving another sentence. Very few restaurants in Paris are so expensive as first, and this is into be changed comparative degree. These are the 5 sentences. Okay, these are the 5 sentences, and these sentences are for your home tasks, and you will solve this, and in next class I shall solve these sentences, and then I shall go to another topic, and that is completing sentences. And already as about 9 topics have been discussed. Okay, and then I am requesting you to participate in all classes taken by us, by the teachers of this college, and you are most welcome for the next classes, and thanks a lot for participation in this class. Okay, thank you.